How to draw arrows on chess.com on your device. Well, hi everyone, it's me Lana from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, head over to your Play Store and in the search bar search for Draw on Screen. Move into this application. You need to install this app on your device, so tap on Install. Once the application is installed, tap on Open. It will land you on this page. Tap on this arrow. Right here at the top, you'll get to see the option of Start. Tap on it. Now it will show you these options on your screen. You can simply draw anything on anywhere on the screen. Now tap on this eye icon to turn off. And tap on this blue arrow. Now you can simply move ahead to your chess.com. Tap on this blue pencil icon. Tap on this eye icon to enable. First of all, let me erase this. Once you have erased, once again tap on the eye icon. Now you can simply draw arrow on the screen. There you go, you can also change the color. Tap on this icon at the top. Select whichever color that you want and then tap on Done. Now you can simply draw the arrow wherever you want. If you want to erase it, just tap on this icon. Erase the person that you want. So this is it, and this is simply how you can draw arrow on chess.com. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.